I take a lot of pride in inviting Mr. Piyush Nangru, who is the co-founder and chief operating officer at Sunstone Eduversity. He, of course, represents academia and brings in academia's perspective on the future of jobs in this new decade. Piyush, we of course at TAG greatly admire Sunstone Eduversity for a very path-breaking approach to making India's youth more employable. So we will surely want to hear more about that from you. So over to you, Piyush.
Thanks a lot, Devashish, for such a kind introduction. It's been an absolute honor to be part of the Decoding Jobs 2021 journey over the last 3 months with multiple roundtables. What we came to realize is that there's so much more that we as an academia can contribute to become a more reliable talent supply. And some of the very key insights which came out were there were huge gap in what is coming out of the colleges, the institutes, and what is it that is required in the industry, which actually brings us to the question that can freshers be professionals? Uh, can these two words be used interchangeably? Ideally, they should be, but maybe they are not right now. So let's sort of try and imagine an education which can help bridge that gap. A quick deep dive into some numbers. Uh, every year we have around 65 lakh graduates which come out of Indian education institutes, and there are around 8 lakh private jobs generated. Going by these numbers, all of us, the HR community, the TA leaders, we should be spoiled for choices, right? But that certainly isn't the case. So definitely there is some mismatch which is there, which actually brings us, is it, are we really producing what actually needed? Is there some gap which is yet to be addressed, and what is it? Why is it that? So the last few months in this initiative, we learned a lot and sort of uh, trying to imagine a utopian world where education can be a far more relevant source for the talent which the corporate needs. Can education be more apt for the industry? How can education be more apt? It can become more accountable, it can become more pragmatic, and far more tailored to our needs. Imagine any service provider, and we all might have used executive search firms, right? How they have their skin in the game. They charge you if they are able to get you a candidate. They charge you as a percentage of the salary. If the candidate doesn't work out, they give you a replacement. They have their skin in the game. Whereas in education, uh, it's only the delivery which the institutes own, and the outcome is something which is not owned by the education provider. Imagine in a world where education providers also own the outcome, that let's say if we say that we charge only if the student gets a job, what it would do is it would automatically improve all the systems which go into producing that outcome, and hence education system as a whole becomes relevant for the corporates as well. Pragmatic. uh, our curriculums are so outdated and they are not at all agile. uh, I can almost bet my life on it that there would be no digital marketing curriculum in any education institute, which would probably have an Instagram reels into it or any such modern concept. Uh, the application based pedagogy is something which we need. We can teach n number of HR concepts, but till the time we have made a candidate, shortlist a resume, probably get it vetted by someone, uh, the person might not be a good recruiter. So focus on the application-based skills which are actually required on the job is what makes the education pragmatic and hence more relevant. Next, we must realize that currently education is operating as a one-size-fits-all approach. There are colleges where students graduate to become a brand manager, and there are colleges where students graduate to become marketing executives, and there are colleges where students graduate to become sales executives, and there is a good hierarchy around it. But what we teach in all of these is exactly the same. We need a different approach. That's something which we need to take cognizance of and incorporate in that our learning methodologies. Why do we have just 4 specializations? Can't we have so these are things which would make it far more targeted and tailored for the kind of roles and the kind of competencies the corporates want the talent for. Imagining the future, if education has to produce professionals, it has to become Apple. We cannot be producing freshers which are, although are carrying good degrees, but are not employable. There are industry reports which say only 7% of the talent is employable. We need to sort of improve that in our education methodologies, make it apt, and reach to a scale where higher education is producing professionals.
Insight that's come, and you've represented academia, and I thank Sunstone Ediversity profusely. And Piyush, you and your team are doing some amazing work. I hope that you become the lighthouses, the way academia needs to transform itself in this nation of ours. So all the very best to you.
Thank you. Thanks, Devashish. Thanks a lot.